Hello everyone, it's time for homework help, week 3, day 3, so let's get started. This first problem says, write an expression that represents the product of 2 and the sum of b and 5. Right away, this problem is like brain overload. There's a lot going on in it. So I'm going to go through and circle all the different parts. First off, I see product, so I know somewhere there's going to be multiplication. Now, I'm wondering what the product is going to be of. It's going to be the product of two things. We have to multiply two things, right? Well, it says it's the product of 2. Well, that's one of the things. And the sum of b and 5. So the sum of b and 5 is the other thing. Now, sum means add. So we'd have to add b plus 5. Now, we would use parentheses to group this together, so it's kind of like one thing. So the 2 is already a thing, it's a product of 2, and the other thing is the sum of b and 5. So we need these parentheses to group it like gluing those two things together as one term. So remember, we don't use x for multiplication, so if I were to rewrite this looking a little better, I would have 2 times b plus 5, or even better is 2 times b plus 5. It's always better to just have the 2 in the parentheses to be multiplication. But either one of these I'd be okay with. All right, now let's go down to the bottom one. Estimate 3/7 times 5/6. Remember, fractions either round to 0, half, or 1/2. So we've got to figure out, for example, let's start with 3/7. Is it closer to 0, is it closer to half, or is it closer to 1/2? So what I'm going to do is come up with some helper fractions. For example, 0/7 is 0. 7/7 is 1. Half of 7 would be 3.5/7. So then you just got to decide, what is 3/7 closer to? Notice it's really close to 3.5/7, so that means it rounds to 1/2. So our first one is half. Now 5/6, we're going to do the same thing, but with 5/6 this time. Okay, so first off, 6th is 0. 6/6 is 1, and half would be 3/6. So where would 5/6 be closest to? Is it closest to 0/6? No. 3/6? No. 6/6? Yes. So that means 5/6 rounds to 1. Oop, I almost wrote 1/2. Okay. So once you get that, all you have to do is solve it. Should be easy mental math. Half times 1 is half. Remember, any number times 1 stays the same. All right, that's how you estimate those two fractions. If you have any other questions, save them for class. Talk to you later.